this seasonal pumpkin creme brulee cold brew, Oochie Coochie, I don't even know what it's called, from Joffrey's, and Sean just got a black Joffrey's, but we like Joffrey's no matter the flavor. Joffrey's! So secret.
What the hell? Yeah.
I mean, if you want. Sean just looked at a kid and said, "There's Robin Hood," and I said, "That kid's dressed as Peter Pan."
They're the same outfit.
Robin Hood, I don't think is no, it is Disney, but it's not. That's Peter. Peter, does Robin Hood have a sword?
No, he's got an arrow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Does that kid have a sword?
It's a kid. Yeah, he had a sword. That's literally Peter Pan.
It's like the same thing.
Get your facts right.
Excuse me. Yeah, it does. Pick one.
Did you like it? Woo!
Yes, please. There you go. I'm going to pick everything up off to the right. Thank you. See there.
Those look
Please
so.
just get one of each spring roll, please.
What did we just get?
The cheeseburger and buffalo chicken
Spring rolls. We'll give you our review after. Found the perfect spot in the shade.
Now, I'm gonna guess it's cheeseburger, huh? Yeah.
Are they hot?
Yeah.
Do you want to break them in half?
Not overly though.
If we break them in half and they'll cool down.
I think we can evenly cut break them.
If they're not even, it's okay. You can have a little more than me. I'm not gonna kill you.
Kind of lose the crispiness though.
Good? Which one's that? The buffalo chicken? Cheeseburger. What do you think?
Pretty good. There she goes.
Alright.
What do you think? Tastes like cheeseburger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so.
Green onions, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So which one do we like better?
The cheeseburger one is so much better. The chicken one was pretty good.
Yeah, it was
Not
good.
as much flavor. There's like pickles in the other one, and this was a lot better. I think it was a lot better.
Yeah, I would say the saving grace for chicken one was just the ranch. But aside from that, yeah.
I'm so good at it.
Yeah.
What an actual Disney day looks like. This is like our R&R time. Splash Mountain!
And you have that, a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Finished on Splash Mountain.
It's like the longest Splash Mountain ride of my life.
Yeah, we got stuck. So first they held us and they were like, you can't get on. And then we got on and then they held us for like another 5 minutes. And then as soon as we were getting off, it like broke down and we were there for like only 2 or 3 minutes. Which isn't really bad. But it was a lot of fun. Hopefully we can do it again. Would you be down to do it again?
Yeah, well, maybe.
Maybe. Oh, I cannot wait for that pirate smell. Pirates time! Woo! Pirates was a walk-on. It wasn't even close to 20 minutes.
Ahoy there, crew! For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands.
Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my thunder will burn the city to the ground!
Mr. Cluckin, the gentleman wants the round, don't you, boy?
Just got off of Pirates. So good. I love the smell in there.
Course me.
I heard there's like a Bath and Body Works candle just like that, so maybe we'll find it. Perfect.
Hide away, you lucky people, you. Meet me where I onward, singward, and the flowers grow.
Yep. Just checked into our flights and did our mobile order for Pecos Bill. We actually put in our mobile order this morning and we're headed over there now. The sky's looking a little dreary.
Yeah, I gotta check the radar.
So it might be a good thing that we're headed off to dinner right now. Oh my gosh! Yeah. We have our Pecos Bill, chicken and beef nachos.
Pork, I think.
Chicken and pork nachos, sorry. Waters, side of guac, queso. Gonna be good. Sean just went under a rope.
Why was I going under that rope again? Was it because someone said there was an exit that to go out of there when there wasn't, when there was one right around that you wanted to ignore? I think that was why we were going through under that rope.
Time for Dole Whip. It's Dole Whip time. Take a bite. Try it. First Dole Whip of the trip.
You know, and save some milk.
So good. This is my favorite, one of my favorite parts. Ready?